DJI Flip Compact new drone with a LiDAR sensor and 4K 100 FPS recording. In true DJI fashion, the world's leading drone manufacturer has surprised us by announcing a new kind of drone that also feels somewhat familiar. The DJI Flip is an all-in-one camera and vlogging drone with a unique, first-of-its-kind folding design that features 4 built-in propeller guards rather than propeller arms. This is part of a safety-first approach that ties in perfectly with the vlogging aspect of the drone. But there's no getting away from the fact it also looks, well, quite odd. DJI, the popular drone maker, has just unveiled a new and innovative product. In its latest announcement, the brand unveiled the DJI Flip that is built to be compact and lightweight, along with a foldable design. But despite mini form factor, it still brings a large sensor and up to 4K 100 FPS video recording. The DJI Flip features a lightweight design with a body that can fold it for improved portability. As per the official announcement, the Flip features the simplicity of the DJI Neo and combines it with the DJI Mini, so it is beginner-friendly and great for inexperienced and veteran drone users. The new compact drone houses a large sensor that supports up to 4K 100 FPS video recording. This video is stabilized via a 3-axis gimbal. But that's not all. The DJI Flip also features a LiDAR system that is borrowed from the Air 3S for obstacle detection. The quad propeller system is covered and protected on all sides, so you don't have to worry about hurting anyone by accident or the propellers getting damaged. DJI's Flip has a lightweight 249-gram body, so you won't need a permit in most countries. Just like the Neo, it offers 6 shooting modes and can also take off automatically. During flight mode, the DJI Flip captures high-quality video at up to 4K 60 FPS recording while avoiding obstacles when using the LiDAR sensor. Other notable features include a 1.3-inch sensor, 3110 mAh battery pack, 26 megaph speed, and support for the Goggles N3 and Motion 3 controllers. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.